Call a doctor! I am the wizard! Hello and welcome, Wisdom Seekers. In this episode of Should I Try, we're going to be going over the pros and cons of using a Rug Doctor Pro cleaning system. Now, I had a roommate move out recently, and after inspecting the carpet, I realized that it was fucking nasty. So, I knew that it wasn't going to do justice to just use a regular spray fucking carpet cleaner. So, I figured out that you could go get a Rug Doctor for $35 for a day. And you can get them at Walmart and a ton of other places. All you have to do is go up to the kiosk, put in your card, type in what type of shit you need, and they'll just give you a machine. Now, I realized after going up to the kiosk that the soap that they sell is like $10 or $15 plus for like a quart of it. You're probably not going to need a quart of it unless you're cleaning your entire house. So, what I've figured out is that you can use half a cap of laundry detergent and half a cap of fabric softener, and mix these together, put it into the water for the machine, and you don't have to use soap. It works perfectly fine, and I got some amazing results. Now, if you can't tell by just looking at the machine, it's actually really, really easy to use. But they also give you a pamphlet at the kiosk in the store that tells you exactly how to use it. And it's fairly detailed, there's lots of pictures, so anybody can do this. The one thing that I would have to say about using a Rug Doctor is that it's kind of heavy once you actually have the liquid in it. So you're going to need some muscle to push this thing. The wheels do not turn by themselves, unlike a vacuum cleaner. You have to push this, and it's kind of a pain if you have a small room, but it's definitely worth using. So, without further ado, let's walk through the process. Step 1, locate the clean water tank. Step 2, access the clean water tank by pulling back the handle and pushing the clean water tank release button. Fill the water tank to the fill line, and then add Rug Doctor cleaning solution to the pour cap and pour it into the water. Then just put the tank back and you are ready to go. Next, plug in the machine and pull the handle back so you can push it. Turn on the red power button on the main handle, and then walk forward and then backward while holding the soap and scrub solution button. You need to make 2 passes. After you've made these 2 passes, then go back again without using the soap and scrub button solution and suck up all the dirty water. Continue throughout the entire room until it is clean. Make sure you pay attention to the dirty water tank. If it is full, you're going to need to empty it. To do this, just push the Release Dirty Water Tank button right next to the Clean Water Tank eject button. Then, remove the dirty water tank, unscrew the lid, and dump that shit out. You can see here that this dirty water is very, very black. If you're done with the room, you're done with the room. If not, do it one more time. Do it 2 more times if you have to. Personally, I had to do it twice, and both times I emptied the water, it was fucking pitch black. So, there's definitely a significant difference in the cleanliness of the carpet. If the water runs out, fill it back up. If the brush is jammed, unjam the brush. There shouldn't be any debris on your carpet. Pick up any items that are laying around so you can just get the job done. What you should also note is that what I did personally is I vacuumed the carpet 2 times before I even used the Rug Doctor, because you want the Rug Doctor to get the dirt out of the carpet that's not going to get picked up by the vacuum cleaner. If you're using a vacuum cleaner beforehand, you're going to make sure that the Rug Doctor gets down deep into the carpet and really gets those stains out, really gets any grime that you couldn't get out with the vacuum cleaner. If you're not going to use a vacuum cleaner, then what's going to happen is you're going to get like a lot more dust in the water. It's going to be sludgy. It's going to be less effective because there's going to be more sediment, and you're probably going to end up having some residue on the carpet, which might make it kind of crunchy when you step on it, which is really fucking gross. And you're going to have to clean it again anyway after that. So just vacuum it 2 times and you should be good. So all you need to do to return this thing is you just go back up to the kiosk with the machine, is just enter the last name that you put on the order when you rented the machine, and it will open up the door for you, and you just put the machine back in there and close the door and you're good. That's it. It's really, really simple. So I'm pretty happy with the overall first test of the Rug Doctor, because I knew eventually down the line we're going to end up re-shampooing all of the carpet throughout my house because it's basically entirely carpeted. And I knew that our roommate that's going to move into this room that was just vacated now had to be cleaned before anybody else could be in there. We had to get it done. So I'm glad I actually got to use this. It worked surprisingly well. There's barely any stains anymore. You know, the ones that need to be removed are the ones that were probably very deeply set into the carpet, and a Rug Doctor is not going to do that anyway. You're going to have to use some stain remover or something like that. So I'm really surprised. That's it for now, but stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and remember that munching rug makes her happy. Until next time, the wizard has spoken.